State Archaeology Department has discovered numerous artifacts during recent excavations at Manipuri, located within Imphal area of Kangla Fort. The department has informed an exhibition will be organized to display several items discovered which were believed to have been used by ancestors during excavations conducted in 2024-25 and 25-26. Speaking to media, the department's office at Kangla, Assistant Archaeologist Dr. S. Sujata, stating that Kangla Fort is not merely a historical site but also a significant sacred place. The artifacts unearthed so far provide evidence of various royal dynasties that once ruled from this location. During the excavation, which reached a depth of approximately 10 feet near Manipuri, the team recovered items including Jek, Jafu, Chegai, and Braja Singjang. Experts believe these could be ancestral artifacts, though some may date to the British period. Further scientific analysis, including dating methods, will be conducted to determine their exact age. The second round of excavation at the same site, which is a continuation from December 2025 until March 2026, workers noticed ancient layers, prompting a systematic excavation at Manipuri. Among the notable finds were porcelain ware, an ancient bell metal coin used in historical Manipur, and a stone scraper. She stated excavation has been put on hold due to rainwater seeping to prevent from the area being damaged. The department plans to organize major exhibition to showcase the important discoveries, particularly the porcelain ware, bell metal coin, and stone scraper, to the general public. Dr. Sujata also highlighted operational challenges, including staff shortages and budgetary constraints, which are affecting the pace of excavation and documentation work.
Season ani excavation ne koi handaki se aduga ani subsida koi hujik phangi se hanagi jehi dudagi dum torpa north tagi na south tagi na chain ba retaining wall manba sigi pochima adum extension se dum north su laizari south lom su dum lai hujiki citadel wall oizari se sigi sidi yaude ba ngasai retaining wall se marakta ma se lep kreba 10 feet hok chathare ba koi se 10 feet hok chathara kansida structure phazana alignment lairamba structure ma cheleba hujikisna east west to in cheleba hujiki kano se samnari ra ha se yengba sigidi further tawdri yaroi ado structure natabada phangba se atai objects da hairagana chapu machet mayam phange ru chapu machet mapum su phangba su yawe nahangbo yam toina phangamdaba ano makhan mayam su phange design magi decoration da bu oiro shape da bu oiro yam phange aduga porcelain ware si mapandagi lako idoine se aduna habde ko je adum mapandagi support manung da changapa mapanda puthokpa mamangi season da su yam yaukre female figurines gumba mapandagi laam gadoba adwane yawe aduga akhoi gi chapu je ayambana arangbo se ka ba se kya yawante habdi ma se mica content tawrine haine ado mica gi keno se kya yawde dubu mamangi dadi thengnagi ko 19th century shidabu scraper ama phangba haise adusu microlith adwane oirakadoine ado ma se adwane oiba apikpa scraper phangpa se nungi jukki nungi pot phangpa se khitang ningai oi